Hello again, Honors Chem students. This is Mr. Keister here with you. This is the video for Wednesday, September 16th, 2020, our scheduled 19th day of school for the fall semester. Got to give you my disclaimer though. Keep in mind that the dates could change for a variety of reasons, but the lessons will remain the same in the same order regardless of that. So this is an intro video only. It'll be quite short to today's lesson. This is again one of those lessons that crosses over with Chem 2. And I have already given this lesson in Chem 2 about a week ago. And so essentially it is exactly the same lesson. However, it does make mention of the fact that proportional reasoning, which is our topic today, is a review for the students in Chem 2 because they did proportional reasoning when they took regular Chem 1. Of course, proportional reasoning for you is a new lesson. So whenever it mentions something about, well, you've had this before, or you did this in Chem 1 or whatever, you may ignore that and just focus on the lesson itself. I also want to tell you that you could probably, when you go ahead and link to the video for the actual lesson today, you can probably skip by the first, I would say, 2 minutes or 2 minutes and 10 seconds, I think it was, if you want to. Because it talked about in that first couple of minutes the fact that for Chem 2, that particular day was an e-learning day. And so, you know, we submitted things electronically, just as you guys did on the last e-learning day that we had. Actually, you submitted exam 1-1 review electronically, and then you're actually took exam 1-1 later that afternoon. So this was a similar deal with Chem 2. So I talked quite a bit about submitting things electronically through Canvas because it was an e-learning day and things along that line. So if you want to skip on by that first 2 minutes or 2 minutes and 10 seconds, I think it was, of that video, you are certainly welcome to do so. So now let's see what our schedule says for today. So again, our lesson today will be page 30, which is proportional reasoning. I also am handing out the review for exam 1-2, which is coming pretty soon, actually, very soon. I always like to give that out a day early. I said save a spot for page 31. That's coming tomorrow. We're doing a lab tomorrow, a short one. All right. And then yesterday, of course, we did a dimensional analysis. And I am collecting that for a grade. So again, if you're in class, you would have already turned that into my desk by now. And if you're at home, then you will need to have submitted that to me electronically. Again, the answer key here is posted on the board. The answer key at home is available to you on my answer keys page, which can be linked from my Canvas homepage. So today we're going to go over the Unit 1-2 notes regarding problem solving using proportional reasoning. The assignment you will have for tomorrow, as I just mentioned, it's actually fairly short, so I don't think it'll take you too long. I have assigned, I mentioned this yesterday, I have assigned Mastering Chemistry 1-2 Density Conversions. That's due this coming Friday, which is only 2 days away, all right, at 7:30 a.m. I also, remember, gave you a handout. Please have that handout with you when you're doing the mastering assignment, because it will save you some time. I promise you that. All right. Exam 1-2, as I mentioned, will be coming this Friday. So again, tomorrow we'll have a short lab, and then what time remains, you will have time to work. You'll review. Will be due at the end of the period tomorrow, although I will not collect it until Friday on exam day. That is the normal procedure. All right. I want you to have it done the day before the exam so that you have an opportunity to check your work so that you can use that review to help you study as one of your study materials. And I want you to be studying the right stuff. So, but I don't collect the reviews until exam day. Tomorrow, or Friday, we'll be actually taking an exam here in class. At least I think we will be. And so the procedure then would be you would hand me your review as you walk in the door. I would hand you a test. You can go take a seat and start the test right away. Okay? So that's the normal. And I'll go over that again on Thursday. So I think that is it for this intro video. So if you would now move on to the actual video for today's lesson over proportional reasoning, which again was already recorded for Chem 2. And again, you may skip that first couple minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 seconds, if you like, and then that should take you right about to where the actual lesson starts. So, till next time, this is Mr. Keister signing off. You guys take care and stay safe.